Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love everything. I also pray for you to Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So it is over today. I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls, working women. So please you must watch my video till the end. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas, shoulder bag. Some are crochet strappy style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain strappy style, lock-up style, pocket style, zipper style. Beautiful. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones. Different ideas, body style. Mind-blowing crochet pattern. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work, and good comment in comment section. If you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. And yours, good comment section. You can ask me in comment section about this video. And you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Have a nice